What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I am sick and tired of taking L's on every hyped up sneaker release. It hurts way more when you actually want the sneaker to wear rather than resell it. But nowadays, it seems almost impossible to get a hyped release unless you have a bot, if you have early links, or if you're in a cook group. So I finally gave in. I joined a cook group and it's been one of the best decisions I've made. So basically what a cook group is an exclusive group of people trying to get a pair of sneakers, whatever hyped release is that week. Basically, a cook group is going to give you all the necessary information to cop the next hot sneaker. They have bots, administrators, and just people who have a lot of good information that you would need to know. They'll put it in the chat so you'll have your highest chances of getting the sneaker. So let's go ahead and talk about the cook group I'm in, and that is Galactic Pigs. Now, there is a $20 fee to join the group, but if you join the group, I guarantee you'll make that back so quick. Especially with the information they give, you'll be guaranteed to score on the next hype sneaker. So $20 a month, not bad. It's an investment. Go ahead and do it. I guarantee you will not regret it. Now let's go ahead and talk about why you should join Galactic Pigs. I'm not going to BS you guys. I want you guys to secure every pair of sneakers that you would like to get your hands on. Now, one example I can give you is that they helped me secure a pair of Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows for retail. They had all the early information I needed to be able to secure a pair on the website. They had all the early information you needed when they dropped on Travis Scott's website. They had the link ready about 20 minutes before everyone else did. And not only that, but they gave you a nice estimated time on when they will drop. So a lot of useful information there. The people who run the group definitely know what they're doing, and it's just a nice little community that you would like to be a part of. Okay, so let's head to the laptop, get into the Discord, which if you get a membership, you will be directed to the Discord, and that's where everything is. So let's go ahead and get into that. So before we get into everything, let's go ahead and show you the success right here. So you have the success tab right here, and just look at all this right here. The Travis Scott ones, you have the Funko Pops. You know, it's more than just sneakers. It's also like Kith, Supreme, stuff like that. So here you have all the sneakers that everyone took a W on, with the restocks, with the sneakers app, everything like that. So I mean, if you join this, you're guaranteed W's. So let's go ahead and see what it's all about. Okay, so we're in the Discord now. Now when you join, you will be greeted with the rules. So rule number 1 is no leaking. You can't leak any early links or anything like that, because you do pay a membership for this. So you want to have it to yourself. You just don't want to have everyone having it. You know, it makes no sense. Respect each other, no racism, no homophobia, any of that, which, you know, keeps the chat really nice, really friendly. But here are the rules. I mean, you can go ahead and pause it if you want. I mean, the rules are really good. It keeps the chat friendly, nice, no toxic ish going on here, which is really good. Okay, so here's the free announcements page. This basically tells you when they're going to be restocking either lifetime memberships or monthly memberships. Lifetime's $250, and then the monthly is $20, I believe. But again, if you use my discount code, you get 10% off. So there's that. Then here you have the weekly overview, which just shows you what's dropping in that week, just in case you were unaware. Just like right here, you have the release dates from 15th to 21st. You have Kith, the Fear of God 1's dropping. Then you have the Air Max 1 dropping, and then you have the MCA Chicago dropping at Complex Con. Just in case you don't see anything on Instagram, this is always a good place to come check and see what's going on, what's dropping. Then you have the important info page, which this one's really important. It gives you all the information on what's dropping that day. Basically, here's an example. When the Travis Scott's loaded on sneakers, they were the first ones to put it in the group. It says Trav's loaded up on sneakers. It's a draw with no exclusive access. Enter as many accounts as possible so you can win. So I'm telling you guys, it's a lot of useful information here that if you don't have a cook group, you would not know of. I mean, this is how I got my Travis Scott one, so they have a lot of useful information here. And if I didn't have the cook group, I probably would not have gotten the Travis Scott ones, if I'm being honest. Then you have the in-store info, which is the in-store info. So just for an example here, I pulled up the Yeezy Reflective Kith drawing. They had, like, you know, the time slots, where it's going to be. They have it in New York and Miami. They have the links and everything like that. And they also let you know about the first come, first serve in store at dead stock. They tell you what they're going to have in store, what times, what location. So if you're in the group and you see this and it's in your area, you're 100% going to get the sneaker. Like, this is information no one really knows unless you're in a group. So it really pays off. Then next up, we have the online restocks. And as you can see here, the missing link, Nike Air Max Susan just restocked a little bit ago. Then they have the links for the restock. So I mean, super useful. Now another example is when the Yeezy Landmarks dropped, the non-reflective. There was a restock on Kith, and then they'll have your sizes, right here with a direct link. It's already in your cart. So basically, say you're a size 8.5, you click the link and it's already going to be in your cart. All you have to do is check out. Now obviously this is going to be sold out now because this was like a couple days ago, but just to give you guys a little look right here, this is what it looks like. Now, like I said, obviously it's sold out because this was a couple days ago, but as you can see, it's already in your cart, in your size. All you have to do is check out and then you're good to go. So restocks is another awesome thing about this. I mean, you never know what's gonna restock, so it's always nice to have that. Before I was in a cook group, I would just wait on Twitter to tell me when the restocks were, and that was always a hassle because I was always late. But anyway, let's go ahead and move on. Another awesome thing that they'll do is do giveaways. You have like proxy giveaways, membership giveaways, and then Supreme slots. So that's always a nice thing to have. You never know, you might get lucky. So again, another perk there. So guys, if you're sick of taking L's, go ahead and join. Now it's $250 for a lifetime membership, but they are currently all sold out. And then you have the $20 monthly membership. But remember, you get 10% off when you use the discount code GTVision. So go ahead, join, chat up with the group, chat up with me. I hope to see you guys there. That's all I got for you guys today. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like the video, it helps out a ton, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.